Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Sania, a homeopathic specialist, and today I am going to talk about one of the most commonly used and powerful homeopathic remedy. Yes, that is Calcarea carbonica, also known as Calcarea carb. So, guys, whenever you are a student of homeopathy or a patient exploring a natural opinions or just someone very much curious about holistic healing, so this video is going to be helpful for you to understand well how this remedy works and who it is really meant for. So let's begin. So, what exactly is Calcarea car? It is prepared from the middle layer of oyster shells, which contains calcium carbonate. But in homeopathy, we don't use the crude substance. Instead, we potentize it through dilution and section. This process brings out the energetic properties of the substance, and that's what makes it so effective in homeopathic healing, guys. So, Calcarea carb belongs to the mineral kingdom, and it's often prescribed as a constitutional remedy. So, now let's talk about the type of person who typically needs Calcarea carb. Well, this remedy suits individuals who are usually chilly, overweight, and slow in physical or mental activities. They get tired very easily, they sweat excessively, especially on the head, and even during sleep, they may crave strange things like egg, chalk, or clay, and tend to have poor digestion and slow metabolism. Emotionally, they are anxious and emotionally about their health or about the future. They often feel very overwhelmed by too many responsibilities, guys. Well, a classic example, if I give you, there's a chubby child with delayed milestone, repeated colds, and sweating on the head at night. This is a very typical Calcarea carb case. So, now let's look at some common clinical uses of Calcarea carb. First, it's delayed development in children. So, slow walking, late teething, or delayed speech. And number two is bone problems like rickets, joint stiffness, or early arthritis in cold sensitive individuals. And talking about number three, it's menstrual issues, periods that are very heavy, come too early or irregular. Number four is thyroid disorders, especially hypothyroidism, where the person gains weight easily and feels cold and lacks energy. Number five, competitive and number five is digestive complaints like acidity, bloating, weak digestion, and especially chronic respiratory conditions such as repeated cold, especially in children, guys. So now let's talk about the mental and emotional picture of Calcarea car. Well, these individuals often feel very anxious, especially when they are alone, in dark, or thinking about future. And they are easily started and prefer to stay in their comfort zone. They may appear responsible but feel very overwhelmed when things pile up. They fear illness, poverty, and even madness, but they usually don't express this openly. Instead, they just look calm and reversed on the outside. So, in conclusion, Calcarea carb not just a remedy, it is a whole constitution. When used properly and selected on the basis of totality of symptoms, it can bring deep and long lasting healing, guys. But remember, never self prescribe for chronic problems. Always consult a qualified homeopath to decide if Calcarea carb is right for you. So, have you or someone you know new used to like they need Calcarea carb before? So share your experience in the comments below. I love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on holistic healing and homeopathy. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm Dr. Sania. See you in the next video. Take care and stay naturally healthy.